Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll take you on a flavorful journey through the fascinating world of olives. Join us as we explore the history, cultivation, health benefits, and culinary uses of these versatile fruits. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonderful world of olives. Olives have a rich and ancient legacy that spans thousands of years. From the Mediterranean region to various parts of the world, olives have played a significant role in history, culture, and cuisine. In fact, they were among the first trees cultivated by humans. Let's start by exploring the olive tree itself. Olive trees are hardy evergreen plants with a distinctive silver-gray foliage. They thrive in Mediterranean climates, with their roots reaching deep into the earth to extract essential nutrients. Did you know that some olive trees can live for hundreds, even thousands of years? Harvesting olives is an art that demands care and precision. Traditionally, olives were hand-picked, ensuring that only the ripest fruits were gathered. Nowadays, mechanical methods are often employed to speed up the process. Once harvested, the olives undergo various processing techniques, including curing, pressing, and brining, which influence their flavor profiles. Olives are not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. These nutrient-dense fruits are a rich source of monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E, which contribute to heart health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Olive oil derived from pressing olives has also been linked to numerous health benefits, including promoting brain function and lowering inflammation. Let's move on to the culinary side of olives. These versatile fruits can be enjoyed in a myriad of ways. Whether they're used in salads, tapenades, pasta sauces, or as a topping on pizzas, olives add a burst of flavor to any dish. The distinct taste profiles of different olive varieties, such as the briny Kalamata or the buttery Manzanilla, offer endless possibilities in the kitchen. And that brings us to the end of our olive-filled adventure. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the history, cultivation, health benefits, and culinary delights of olives. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.